Hello. Good day. Is Mikhail available to speak with? Hey there, Mr. Mikhail. This is Pete from Brand Boosters. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
I'm calling to introduce you to our digital marketing services that serve business like yours trade and manage engaging content across platforms. What are some of the digital marketing challenges you are currently facing?
Keeping up with rapidly changing technologies and trends.
Are you looking to improve your social media presence or enhance your SEO strategy?
Absolutely, yes, it will be great.
Our approach to content strategy focuses on developing high quality, relevant content on tailored to meet the needs and interests of your target audience across various platforms.
That will be perfect.
Would you be open to scheduling a brief of meeting or demo to discuss our services can benefit your business?
Yeah, sure, it will be a big help for my business, but how inquire?
Kindly state your name, email address, contact number, and address.
Andre Michael Saison, and my Gmail is andremichael@gmail.com. My number is 0992-570-67458. English with 87.
Okay, when we will have our meeting, sir?
On April 25, 2025 at 9:30 a.m.
Okay, sir, copy. We will call you today before to confirm the meeting.
Okay, great deal.
Hey, sir, I already booked your meeting appointment.
Sounds good, thank you.
Thank you for your time today. Mr. Michael, I appreciate the opportunity to speak with you.